Don't mess with my connect. With my connect. Hey, you know what, mama? Oh, you made them know I've touched my spirit, body, and soul.
That is a kind of song that you call Ntoy song.
Hey, that is a Philippine music.
Yes. Ntoy song.
Hey,
that kind of something.
Oh, this song is a hit already.
No, we're going to play it all day today.
We are going to, you see this song is our connect.
Yes.
Connect to anything. In the name of the song is connect. If you never get that now, go download that now on top of the internet. You know, feel the nice sing them.
Connect.
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 Is in the connect. Anyway, now good evening and welcome on top of the night show. How is you? How is your ministry? Is he moving to permanent site or is just starting? Or is he going to camp at Mowe?
Or he just jam traffic.
Or he just jam traffic as usual.
A little bit.
A little bit of traffic. You know what I mean?
Are
you with me?
I am with
you. He get waiting Katim to say he should not talk yesterday. I remember I contact Katim now. I say make I talk him. I've been talking for radio today.
I don't know. Some people
for India.
It can't be like saying
no, ignorance.
Pattern, a big culture. I don't know. Because I think all those things used to happen in India.
Yes, it happened. India, they worship anything. Now, the area where they for this part of India, they poor where they know they see toilets. They always in India. Then they not get toilet. They always butu for outside.
Anywhere.
Anywhere, they butu. Not be him. They can't go build toilet for them. My brother. As a beauty toilet. Now, so people, they can't gather people for the area, can't gather girls, gather people. See the toilet, they begin worship the toilet. They begin worship the toilet.
Let us worship this new something.
They begin sing. Then begin worship toilet. And they say he get God of Butu. I don't want to shit now. They say he get. I don't forget the name.
No, everything for India.
Say it's now God of Butu. So all of them go in there for the toilet. I say he. Toilet where you get for your house now.
I'm not sure say that any kind place like that day for this Nigeria when.
Where you going to wash your toilet for what?
No matter how no matter how.
You just like say you butu for somewhere. Can't go there and they worship the butu for what? What's that?
Something that your body say I don't want again.
And not be saying that one they sit down on top. That one
the squad.
The squad.
You know why they laugh? I got to watch it today. Where Bush there? For Nigeria.
Worship Bush toilet. They're not going to use them. They not use the toilet. That's when they begin worship the toilet. They never see them before. And you now you get toilet for house. You just go enter. You don't know what thing you get. You have an Indian god in your house.
Even the broken plate one.
Even the broken plate one, you have an Indian god in your house. You don't know.
Now they take them just they do anyhow.
You wouldn't say your belly go wrong. You can just go sit down on top and pra.
Anything.
You don't know say an Indian one of the Indian gods. Now you
don't take and play for India.
They don't play with it. So big from today now. Begin worship your I'm not saying you know. Anyway, today on top of the night show, we'll get what we'll go discuss. Now something what we say, we'll go discuss them so that your connect can connect.
Yes, and become stronger.
Become stronger because if you connect this thing well, you will not make mistake. People like
and you go blow.
People like which people waiting they study and then they do.
Nowadays, if inside
my brother, only for this Nigeria, 9 person go do the engineering, go police station, go do IT.
Now only here where we say you could read swallow-she.
They bank. I know person where the IRK where they bank they work. Not be play. Islamic religious study now you read for Kano, for Bayero University Kano. The guy they bank now they work. So therefore, our topic today. Must mama and the papa,
yes,
or uncle or auntie tell pikin what he go read for school. I don't know whether we don't discuss on this thing before. I don't.
No, we never know.
We has not. Okay?
No.
So we get the reason when we come say we go discuss on today.
Yes.
Make una begin the colors after we break come back. Our phone numbers go down on
mama,
TV.
in case you want to know the question
again. In case you want to know the question again, must mama or papa or uncle or auntie tell pikin what he go read for school. For instance example. In fact, we will never talk. When we come back, we'll start with the for instance example. We go buy small chicken liver for here. Let us connect with our connection.
Yes.
on Top of the Night Show. My name is Nanedu Anoskov, me, Katim, and DJ, most wanted DJ, DJ the vanity DJ, If you stop at the cup. DJ Easy with all of us on the process.
If we go that place, they will try for us.
I swear.
If we go that church, they will try for us.
If you can't take me to, maybe I go there, easy me go there. I don't forget that. What shall go pass? We will look at I say, what the? Anyway, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. What we're going to discuss today, we're supposed to get two guests. One of them, let's say one of them done there around, but we're going to still continue on the topic we're going to discuss. Our topic, no, they're not going to make heaven. Topic we're going to discuss today on Top of the Night Show. Our phone numbers there on top of TV now.
Yes.
Make us begin the call us. What will they discuss now? Say, must mama and the papa, in fact, must the person where they in charge of Pikin, tell Pikin what he go school, go read.
Yes. Whether he like him or whether he no like him, now yours must. You get some people who go say no. In this family, they get to be lawyer, doctor, engineer, and what's
like that famous accountant, famous Nigerian accountant, Akintola Williams. Almost all of them for their family are accountants, they be. And again, another Igbo family where I know, mama na accountant, papa na accountant. The so 7 of them are accountants.
So engineer must they, accountant must they, doctor must they.
Then for
lawyer,
for Igbo, for eastern part of a country, and some people when they say they do land business, they like when one of their Pikin read law, so that they could help them.
No, that's why law now in the plenty pass say one family so must to get lawyer.
When we get happen,
they will just say,
Chugode, that man. Bonaventure.
Go and sort him out.
Call him out.
Yes.
Me, why are they here, so? My mama, I make me read accounting for Madonna University.
What did he be one read?
I don't even know what I want to read.
Now he would be waiting for
my mama, but no, but you know what happened. My mama, she start on quick. Now when I enter, I did be when I did, she allow me when I go school. I can't choose what I want to do.
Okay,
she don't arrange her from JSS1. Okay. Tell me say you not go any other school. Now commercial school. Now I can go Tabe, Kaduna Commercial Institute. We can change to Prince College, yellow and white. If I Kaduna. I can't go to typewriter. Bang, 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 bang. ASDF, semicolon, LKJ. Say, can't do, check up that thing. Space bar, check up. Can't come out paper, put up. Yum. I beg, back when they take our phone calls. Okay, make our guest Slim. I beg, where the Slim day? Make us sit down. You can just sit down. You can just say, no, make him just come sit down. Just come sit down here. You're not going to make heaven. Just sit down. Keep quiet.
It was said that make him come at 8:13. 30 minutes past 8, 17 seconds. Come collect $10,000.
Anyway, more na ignore them for now. We go come back to them. Our phone numbers. Our phone numbers down there on top of TV. Make it begin the call us. Like as they talk, where we stop before Slim interrupt.
Yellow and white.
Space bar, remove the paper.
So now from there, it don't really enter my head. My mother say our account Kayago. Now so no banking and finance. Say you know what I take that? My follow mama go one of these old generation bank. Go bank that they go collect money. My mother remember that shirt I wear blue short necker and one color shirt. My mama come simple they count money. Fiam. Mama will Chinedu. Eva Kiyano. Accounting.
What's in your answer and when he tell you that?
I say, I like money now, my sister. You know what I don't like money they come? When I see all this way we are tired, they won't kill themselves. Now I go fiam. I say, mommy, no problem. I will do it. Now, now I can't do accounting. I can't get A1. I get A1 for accounting. I said, for jam, I get 398.
Over 400.
Over 400. For jam. See, I tell you, for jam. Don't call me. Say, Ogbenio, you get 400. You get 400.
But we must
we not give you 400.
Yes.
Just now like come tell them say, no, they said they will come out 5. Say,
so maybe 395.
Nedimo just give you 395.
Okay.
Because if you give you 400, it go bad. Now I say no. Now I say no. This is my score. This is what I got.
Exactly.
I can use part with 2.
No, the Oga for jam. The person they come in, I be secretary. The Oga pata for jam come that and say, I need one fun now. If we build like this now, it not go pure. I can't say okay. We can't they go up like fuel money. They go up, come down, go up, come down. We can't reach for 3. I can't say no. If they come out 3, it go be like no book. When they come out 2.
Oh, yours too.
Just food. So they can't come on. I make me get 398 for jam.
For 400.
Go call jam. Ask him. He will tell you.
That this particular somebody. I know him since.
I know. The man will tell that guy. Now he don't beat record. Was in boat of jam.
Remata. He clear, bros.
Star boy.
Slim, how you doing? Welcome to the next room.
Thank you very much.
How is your ministry?
Everything is going smooth.
Now, our phone numbers are alternative. Make it begin the...
Some people don't, they send us street message.
Okay, somebody there on the line first.
Okay.
Hello, good evening. Hello, Hope.
Hope, are you there?
Hope, are you hoping to talk to us or not?
No. Hope is not hopeful.
Hope
John, there's John.
She's not hopeful enough. Sister Joy.
Oh, John.
Hey, good evening.
Hi, Joy, baby. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Nedu, how are you today?
Did you call me baby?
Nedu.
Yeah, Nedu, how are you? I said Nedu.
Wait, you call me baby or Nedu?
I said Nedu.
Now Nedu not be Nedu. Now let me make heaven. I want to say, oh God, no God.
How are you?
Sidi, how are you? How are you? Now fine. No?
I missed you on the show yesterday anyway.
Oh, I miss you too, Master in the Lord.
Okay, let's go back to the question, Nedu.
Ngwana.
I actually wanted to study theater arts.
Okay.
But my mom refused because of nature of things in Nigeria, sleeping with the director and all of that. So what I would like to say is it is not right for parents to decide what a child should read. It is very wrong because it affects and it pulls down your determination to learn.
Joy.
Yes, Nedu.
I think I want to ask you one question.
Okay, so if for day better to leave you to go sleep with the director?
No, you don't have to speak with the director, Captain, to make it. I'm sure you didn't speak with the director to the way you are today.
My sister, you don't know this thing, oh?
Joy,
yes,
so
Nedu.
the thing where you study now, you like him?
What did you study?
Yeah, I studied general and applied psychology.
Wow.
General and applied psychology.
Well, okay, for your work now as a psychologist.
Psychologize him.
Psychologize Easy Beat. What do you think is wrong with Easy Beat? Psychologize him.
Okay, his only problem right now is he's so obsessed with music.
He's so obsessed.
Obsessed.
My sister, you're not be your psychology.
Obsessed.
You know, bye-bye, good night. From Kogi, good evening. You're not be your psychologist. Hello.
Hello.
Simon, how is you?
Fine, thank you.
How is your ministry?
We bless God.
Are you with him, eh?
I'm with you.
Simon, talk your own.
Hello?
Again,
We dey hear you
we
now.
hear you now.
You have now. Yesterday when you entered, I will not see you at all.
Yeah.
What if you want to study for school? What if you study and what if you want to study for school?
No video I did talk to. Allow me to talk to my guy first.
My brother, time is money. Make up now, Seba. Time is money.
Thank you.
I think.
Hello?
Hello.
My brother, where you entered yesterday?
My brother, where you enter yesterday?
Junk fire. No one tell us we ain't enter.
Like chief.
On that Twitter. Esther, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, baby. How are you, baby?
I'm fine.
Look at they put Nedu baby now. Now, about if you call me baby.
No, now, but if you call you Nedu, no, my name is not Nedu. Now, Esther, if you call you Nedu baby.
Nedu baby, add baby at least. Come here again.
I'm fine.
Call my name again. Say Nedu baby.
Nedu baby.
My sister, you have killed me. You talk to us.
I want to say that it's not right for parents to choose courses for their children.
Okay. You there school now?
I said it's not right for parents to choose courses for their children.
No, thank you. Esther baby, good night.
Okay.
Good night. I beg my man no call me baby. Oh. Hello. On top Twitter, first
They must
of all.
call you Nedu baby. Man must call you today. It's
Then
even
anyone will call
you.
They must call you Nedu baby. I will know what you are going to say.
On top Twitter.
Ezuma wisdom say, the fact be say these young ones no even sabi wetin they want be. They for like one become doctor, yours because they like am.
Okay.
He come back and talk say, I remember say I be one become doctor, but today na economist I be. But my parents no choose for me. Oh.
Okay. Now the economy, they give you money.
I don't know.
Anyway, Slim, welcome to the studio.
Thank you very
First of all,
much,
you
Baba.
through Slim.
Yes,
What be the
sir.
original meaning where your mom pa give you?
Awinagaga Akpubo.
Very
Very long issue.
No more leave am as slim.
Oh,
Okay.
you
Just
know your
name is
liver for
okay.
Slim.
I'm alright like that.
Economy dey.
Where your liver? Now from where you from come?
You know where I stay already now. That kind of thing. I worry with this
How
stay.
good but it be like cause.
Call that your name again.
Awinagaga Ogene Akpubo.
So-
Run away.
First time even better.
It be like when they want to deliver person. I want to go. I put there. I want it. Like, baby, come out. I go. Anyway, welcome to the next show.
Thank you very much,
Now,
Baba.
what is you? Which school? How many school you go?
About 2-3 schools before I graduated.
Which one you go? Which one?
I went to University of Port Harcourt, Agua Braka, Delta State University, and I
Hey,
finished
the
from
bad
Western.
boy.
Only you want.
Only
What did
me.
happen?
Then pursue you.
No, they don't pursue me. Some I decide to run, some I just use my head before
My
they pursue me.
brother,
I
talk
just-
through. Slim, talk through.
No,
Oh, yeah,
no.
Small start from the beginning. The first one.
Yes.
The first one.
The first one at Uniport.
Okay, what to make you come out there?
No, what to make you
You
run?
give get belly.
No, I no run. I no give anybody belly.
So what to make you come out there?
Little challenges. I lost my dad as easy as that, yeah. So I had to drop out of school. I can't go to find admission from bottom to top. And you know how I be for Nigeria for school admission. And after I fight,
you go sleep with
I
director.
shout, one of all those kind level.
And you go, hello, from Ilari, good evening.
Good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I'm fine. No, how are you too?
My brother, we there.
Why you not call Nedu baby?
No.
Yeah.
Hello, I don't feel call her Nedu baby.
Thank God will bless you. Please don't call me that.
He's the man.
Thank you.
Amo.
I'm of God. I better put mouth for this matter when they discuss.
Now, Amo, well, I won't put mouth. Now, you go. I want first talk to Oga Nedu.
What did I do now?
Number one, the way you did dance.
Yeah.
You know, if small children, they watch your program.
You don't like my dance?
You know good.
You don't like my
The
dance?
kind act where you they give people.
Wait till they dance.
Wait, Amo, wait.
Huh?
Wait, you dey watch me now. Give me music. See my dance.
I they see your dance now. You go they touch your breast. They do your
No, that one na something dey scratch me. Something dey scratch me.
I they hear your dance. See.
You don't like this one?
The waist uncle, you know good. Small
The waist.
they watch you.
Okay, make I no one waste. Okay, no worry. Na so I go dey dance now.
Small kids they watch you. They teach them another thing.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm of God. I'm of God. Thank you, sir. I'm not going one waste again. Please remind me not to one waste again. You said not play music, you go make me the one waste. I don't like it. Hello, from Anambra Chooks. Good evening. Hello, Chuck Norris. Hello. Ongwa, call us back. Now, Slim, what do you study for school? What do your parents they want me you study for school?
Man, my popsy and that guy, man. Everybody up believe. For real, my popsy, man, long issues. To cut the story short, the guy want to be doctor, but you know sometimes, man, you guys just follow it in your head fit carry. I tried. The guy that forced me won't be doctor. I told that guy I don't like to treat people. Help yourself. So finally.
No, maybe he help himself.
Exactly. So I can't do one kind. Do computer science.
Okay, now computer science you can finish with now.
Yeah, I finished
But now another thing they do now.
Very, very, very entirely different.
So what gonna make you switch counter?
No be say I switch. Yeah, it happens naturally. In nature, you just connect one kind and I just.
So this computer
follow
now
the line.
yours, me I just dey do this computer.
Not
me
just
be
make I yours. I actually love what I do. As in, I dey enjoy am for school. Actually, better than the doctor. You understand?
That's the computer science.
It's exactly.
But you wanna get practical for that time for school.
For computer
When I
science.
type ASDF,
A lot
semicolon.
of AS, KKDD, Awinagaga, Akbobo. We type many things.
It's okay, my brother.
So how you can't take join music from what you do?
Nature again. I get lots of elder ones. I was easily introduced to music. Anywhere I go, I don't
know
hear.
where this nature they live, Abi?
I know nature. I know where
no
nature
far.
dey
If
live.
you just around
You know,
the
I'll
corner.
show the area.
Just
Now you
go
dey stay.
front,
Just
small,
go
you're
front.
right.
Yes.
Hello, good evening, Shehu. Shehu, Baba na ya keke.
Alhamdulillah, Hajin Daddy.
So, muna nang. So,
Yeah,
Shehu, this matter what they discuss. Chook your mouth inside.
I beg, you know who don't make parents they choose for their children say this is what I want you to study, this is what you study. Allow them when they go study what they want to study.
Why?
As they are coming to the world, God has given them what they are going to be in the world.
Okay.
So there's no need for anybody to choose for them. Because
Okay.
it can be what you want to choose for them cannot be, it might not be what God has directed them to come and do in the world.
Our hunger can just kill them.
So maybe wait to when you go to the home, so don't be sure that you go.
Which school?
Suya joint.
No, Monday was too early for Suya.
Monday is too early for Suya.
They don't agree, believe me. I say me and Isi say we send you message.
No, the message where I go.
I don't know.
Where is it?
I go talk on later. Calm down. I go talk on later.
Nedu baby, are you with me?
I am with you, my brother.
Why you call her Nedu baby?
Now call me baby.
Nedu baby.
Now call me baby. Bye, Joe. Bye. Hello, Emmanuel.
Yeah.
How is you?
Yeah, good evening, sir. Edu.
Yeah. Are you with him, man?
I'm with you, sir.
I'm gonna talk to us.
I like to program. I say my hello now.
Thank you. We get Slim for inside studio too. We dey
Yes,
discuss
sir.
to the discuss.
I like your dance. They dance very, very well.
Mark, they dance that dance, Abi.
Very, very well. But
Make
then they shake the west where that guy complain.
Man, wine waist. I make her not one waist. Man, the wine waist. I make not wine the waist.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
And the hell
you.
is he be so?
In
the hell you two boss?
Inhale.
Okay.
Good night. Hello. Hello. Okay, now as we get Slim for inside studio. Slim from what he don't 3 university now he don't run come out. Don't finally thank God he can't graduate from computer engineering. Then according to what me that thing
You
went
don't
up.
even ask him waiting in go read for Juniport.
Yeah, for Uniport, what did you read
Before
there?
in go Abraka.
Anatomy for Uniport.
Anatomy.
Still
Human
along
being
the
anatomy.
doctor, medicine.
Okay, for
when no
Uniport
go
anatomy.
work,
Second one, go.
The second one was still computer science, but
The
it
third
no
one?
work. The third one, I can't still computer science, we work. May you know say it's shock.
Anyway, we will watch one video from Slim. When we come back, we'll continue see top people they discuss whether he choose for parents to choose what to begin go study for school, and we'll see get Slim also for inside studio. Thank God now in Papa be one make he do doctor. He can't do computer. Now from computer, Omia by music. Will they come back?
Thank you very much.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.